Hey there, fellow travelers. Are you ready to embark on a journey that will send shivers down your spine and ignite your curiosity? Today, we're off on a proper adventure to one of India's spookiest spots, Bhangarh Fort. This place is not just any ordinary fort. It's a place steeped in mystery and legends that have been passed down through generations. If you're into haunted places and love a good ghost story, then this is the place for you. Imagine walking through ancient ruins, where every corner has a tale to tell, and every shadow seems to whisper secrets of the past. Bhangarh Fort is in Rajasthan, India, not too far from Jaipur. It's a perfect day trip if you're staying in the Pink City, and the journey itself is quite scenic. It's tucked away in the Aravalli Hills, and it looks like something straight out of a scary film. The fort's location amidst the rugged hills adds to its eerie charm, making it a must-visit for thrill-seekers. Imagine crumbling ruins, old temples, and a creepy atmosphere that'll give you goosebumps. The fort's dilapidated structures and overgrown vegetation create a hauntingly beautiful scene. Right, a bit of history first. Understanding the past of Bhangarh Fort will make your visit even more intriguing. The fort was built in the 16th century by Bhagwant Das for his younger son, Madho Singh I. The architecture reflects the grandeur of that era, with its majestic gates and intricate designs. But here's the spooky bit. Legend says Bhangarh was cursed by a nasty sorcerer who fancied the princess. The sorcerer, Singhya, fell in love with Princess Ratnavati, who was known for her beauty and charm. When she wasn't interested, he cursed the whole town, and it's been haunted ever since. The curse led to the downfall of Bhangarh, turning it into a ghost town where eerie occurrences are said to be commonplace. So, what can you expect? A visit to Bhangarh Fort is like stepping into a different world, where history and mystery intertwine. Well, there's a sign at the entrance saying no one's allowed in after sunset. This rule is strictly enforced, adding to the fort's mystique. And there's a good reason for that. As the sun sets, the fort's atmosphere becomes even more ominous, and the stories of paranormal activities come to life. People say they've heard strange noises, and some have even seen ghosts. The tales of ghostly apparitions and inexplicable sounds have been recounted by many visitors. It gets really spooky after dark, so it's best to go during the day. Exploring the fort in daylight allows you to appreciate its architectural beauty, while avoiding the spine-chilling experiences reported at night. As you walk around, you'll see the old palace, which is a bit broken down now, but you can still see how grand it used to be. The remnants of the palace offer a glimpse into the opulent lifestyle of its former inhabitants. The carvings and courtyards are amazing. Each stone tells a story, and the courtyards, though now silent, once echoed with the sounds of royal gatherings. Then there's the Gopinath Temple, a beautiful temple dedicated to Lord Krishna. Despite its ruined state, the temple's intricate carvings and serene ambience make it a highlight of the fort. Don't miss the Purohitji Ki Haveli, an old mansion that adds to the spooky atmosphere. This mansion, with its eerie silence and decaying walls, is a perfect spot for those interested in the supernatural. And if you're feeling energetic, climb up to the roof of the palace for a brilliant view of the whole fort and the hills. The panoramic view from the top is breathtaking and offers a unique perspective of the fort's layout. Quick tip: wear comfy shoes, bring lots of water, and go with a guide or a friend. A guide can provide fascinating insights into the fort's history and legends, making your visit more enriching. It's easy to get lost, and phone signal can be a bit dodgy, so make sure you're prepared and stay close to your group. So fancy a bit of spooky fun on your next trip? Bhangarh Fort offers an adventure like no other, blending history, mystery, and a touch of the supernatural. Bhangarh Fort is a place where history and mystery come together. Whether you're a history buff, a thrill seeker, or just someone looking for a unique experience, this fort has something for everyone. Whether you believe in ghosts or just like old buildings, you'll love it. The fort's rich history and eerie ambience make it a fascinating destination. Right, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this virtual tour of Bhangarh Fort and are inspired to visit it yourself. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the bell for more travel stories. Cheers and happy travels. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.